Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to upload a profile picture on Brainly. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to upload a profile picture on Brainly. Maybe because since you have created your account on Brainly, you haven't uploaded any profile picture and now you want to upload one. Or maybe you have uploaded before, now you want to change it. Or there could be any other reason for you to upload your profile picture on Brainly. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can upload your profile picture on Brainly. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first we have to make sure that we have already installed our Brainly app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Brainly app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. We have different options almost all over the screen. Right now we are in the home section where you could ask a question. But if you want to upload a profile picture, therefore you have to go to your profile. And if you want to go to your profile, you have to look down. There are 5 different options. So from all these options, we have this option which is profile, which is on the right side at the bottom. So you just have to simply click onto this option, profile. Once you tap on it, you will get into a profile. First you will see some of your personal information and also a profile icon. Right now no profile picture has been uploaded, therefore you couldn't see any profile picture. So if you want to upload a profile picture, here we have this option, settings. Once you tap on it, you will see different options. So here we have this option which says set profile picture, which is the third option, this one. Once you tap onto this option, you will be easily able to upload your profile picture. So it shows you two options. First one is take photo, that if you want to click a picture at the moment, then camera will open and you will click a picture at the moment. But you have a picture in your mobile phone that you want to upload as your profile picture, then you have to go with this second option, upload from gallery. So then you can choose any picture of your choice from your gallery. So here I have selected this picture. Likewise, you can choose any picture of your choice. Once you have selected it, now you can crop it and select any specific part from the picture. And once you're done with it, just simply click on choose, which is on the right bottom side, this one. Once you tap on it, this picture will be uploaded. It will just take a while, and after that you will see that the picture that you have selected will be uploaded there. And if you want to change it again, you have these option and you can do that. So likewise, you can upload any picture of your choice, and if you have uploaded any picture before, with the help of these instructions you can upload a new one. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can upload a profile picture on Brainly. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.